Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Stun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your 24-piece snake cube into a key. Oh, and by the way, make sure to check out our channel down below before you leave this video. My brother and I make interesting tutorials every week, and I'm sure you're going to find something you like. Anyways, let's get right into the video.
So the first step is to get your snake puzzle in a straight, line, just an unsolved state like mine. And then what you're gonna do is grab this first one here and turn it twice, like 180 degrees. And then you're gonna count 1, 2, and twist that one twice. And now you're going to, we're just gonna, flip it this way, because we're gonna make the key around this way, and then the key handle or something the body of the key goes down like this. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, bend this fourth one twice, and now we're going to go out here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bend the sixth one twice. All right, now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to bend this fourth one twice. But as you can see, we can't bend it there, so we're going to have to count 1, 2, 3, and bend this third one twice. Okay, and then we can place it in like that. So again, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, bend this fourth one twice like that, and then count 1, 2, 3, and bend the third one twice like that. Okay, now we're going to go down to the end, and the second to last one, we're going to bend this twice, and then we're going to bend the last one twice as well. All right, you guys, there's the key.
Alright, that's all for this video. If you have any questions or need help with anything, leave a comment down below and I will respond within 24 hours, and maybe even sooner if you're lucky. Also, it would be awesome if you could check out our channel where we make interesting videos every week. I'll put a couple of our videos right here, and you can subscribe to our channel right here. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.